name's Shira and I'm head of social at App School. I'm sitting here with Michelle Redfern and she's going to give us some tips for women with startup ideas.
Okay. So how many tips would you like? Because I'm full of tips all the time.
All right. I'd say between 1 and 3 I think
Okay.
would be grateful for.
Okay, so I would say tip number 1 is believe in yourself. And I know that that's really trite and overused, but if you've got a great idea, start sketching it out, drawing it, talking to other people and building it. Your idea might be just that one thing that's going to make a difference for a whole lot of other people. So don't ever think you have to invent the next Apple iPhone to be a startup or an entrepreneur. You might have the simplest thing that's going to make a difference. So stop looking at it and start doing it.
Good tip.
Number 2, don't be an island. It is really easy to spend a lot of time in here, a lot of time on your own, and particularly when you're a solopreneur. There are heaps and heaps of other women and men who are going to help you. No one's going to steal your idea. I promise you, there are millions and millions of ideas going around, and don't feel like you have. Unless you've got some really techie code stuff, but start to use your networks. If you haven't got a network, find one of like-minded people that can help, because bouncing ideas helps you refine and really, you heard of divergent thinking. It helps you converge your thinking to get to a really solid business proposition. And number 3 is don't try to be all things to all people. Niche, niche, niche. You can always add and create a modular growth or scale pattern, but find out who your market is and niche and really design for that market. So for me, my market is women and women in sport. And people said, oh wow, that's a really narrow market. I go, really? Women are 51% of the population in the world, and sport is exploding in Australia, particularly female sport. I'm awful sorry. So I would say find out who your market is and design and niche for that market.
Thank you, that was brilliant.
My pleasure.